So let's say, get rid of all of this, and let's say, for example, that I wanted to perhaps find a rectangle with an area of, say, 200 feet squared. I would begin by making a sketch of a rectangle. Now, one important thing to note is we have a formula for area, okay, and that tells us length times width. Now, I notice if I would like to, I could solve this formula for either length or width, and it'd be very simple. If I wanted to isolate one of the variables, I would divide. I could divide by width here, okay, on both sides. And what I will notice, besides making a terrible spelling mistake, let me fix that. What I will notice is I am now, by doing this, able to express the area in a different way by using this formula. I have now renamed length as area over width, and that becomes very, very important because what we're ideally looking to do is to minimize the perimeter. If I take a look at the perimeter formula, which is P equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, what I notice is, ideally, I'd like to go to my calculator with a situation like this and use some graphical methods to solve the problem. One small issue that occurs because of me wanting to use my calculator is what I notice is I have two different variables, length and width. By using this formula and making a rename, I can now come into this formula and incorporate one variable, which I then can go to my calculator and solve this problem using a graphical method. Okay, and this is how it's done.